Hello everybody, it's me RJ here again with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be replacing the screen on a Samsung Galaxy tablet S6 10.5 inch model number SM-T860. So as you can see, the screen is shattered all over here. It's broke in the corner here. You're going to need a blow dryer or a heat source of some kind and some tools to remove the screen. So first thing you're going to do is take the blow dryer and heat up the edges, because there's some glue around the edges here that need to be loosened up. Let's go ahead and use the blow dryer, warm that up for a little bit, just a couple minutes. It'll loosen the glue up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, after you feel like you've got it warm enough, you'll take your tool. You'll get one like this in a kit. Sometimes you can use a card too. But you want to get it somewhere on the screen where it'll fit in, and it should just slide in right there, and then you'll work your way around the edges. Same thing with this type of tool here. You can get it in the screen and just work your way around the edges. Be careful, because there's a ribbon cable in here you don't want to break. So we're just going to go along the edges, and it's going to be tricky where the glass is broke. So you can see as it starts to come up, if you can get your fingers underneath there to help pry it up a little. Just be careful for that ribbon cable that's under there. After you've worked your way all the way around, you should be able to just pop it open like this. And you want to be careful. Right inside there you'll see the ribbon cable. So you can open up either side. Just be careful. When you get to that cable, you'll see right, if I can get the camera, right there, you can just pop that off. It should disconnect. You shouldn't break it. Just get your fingernail in there and pop it off like that. Now you can remove the entire screen. Make sure all the broken glass is removed from the edges, if there is any. And the next step is to get some alcohol and a rag, and you want to clean all the glue off of the edge here, because the new screen should come with a new glue strip. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe all this glue off. Depending upon how much glue is left on there when you peel the screen off is how long it's going to take you to clean it all off. I didn't have much left, so it looks pretty good. There's still a little bit there, but that's okay. The majority of it's gone. So now we're going to get our new screen. So here's our new screen. Going to remove it from its packaging. Be very careful, because we definitely don't want to break this one. So what we're going to do is find where our ribbon cables attach. And if you look right here is where they attach. So we're going to go from this side. We're going to get these ribbon cables attached very carefully. It is a little tricky because it's a tight spot to work. Once you get them attached, you can just lay the screen back down. Okay, got them attached. Now, there should have been a glue strip or plastic that you remove from here from the edges. on your new screen. Go ahead and peel that off, and then you'll lay it back down, and you'll press it, and just get it all pressed in there nice and tightly. Work your fingers around the edges, and then all these bubbles are from this protector here, so I'm not going to remove that till later. But we'll go ahead and press around the edges and get it in there. Make sure it's nice and pressed down, because we don't want that screen falling out. After you have everything pressed down and it looks good, nice and flush right here, it doesn't look like it's trying to pop out or anything like that, you can go ahead and take your plastic wrap off of there, turn the tablet on, and you should be good to go. That is how you replace a broken screen on the Samsung SM-T860 10.5 inch tablet. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments, questions if you have any. I'll be sure to answer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.